Chameleon relies on her camouflage for protection. But there are times when choosing to stay still and blend in is the worst decision to make. She's probably as close to panic as a chameleon ever comes. Some of Athena's neighbors drop by only when the grasslands start to dry. When the kingdom's grasshoppers are at their juiciest. The bee-eater's friendship will last just as long as there are grasshoppers. As soon as they're finished, the birds will move on.